Hey guys, Easter is almost here, so I thought I would do a Lego Easter project. Now, I was wondering what I could do with this mechanical base, and I thought, Easter, what could I do? Maybe I could make like a little Easter display or something like that. But then I thought, hang on, it turns. So what could I do that turns during Easter? And I thought, well, maybe some egg decoration would be nice. So let's go ahead and make a Lego Easter egg decorating machine. So you're going to need a few parts that hopefully you've got lying around. So for the base of the Easter egg holder, you're going to need one of these large tires. Now, the reason why it's got to be this size is because it's about the right size for an egg. And if you pull the tire off the edge just a little bit, you've actually got all rubber and the egg just sits in nicely. And it's against rubber, so it won't break. So that's the base sorted. So now we need to go ahead and put it on. So we're just using a Technic pin here, but we want it to sit off the base a little bit. So let's just pop a couple of these bushes on here like that. Now we'll go ahead and we'll pop that on. It's just our usual connection here. So now if we actually turn that, we can see that it's actually going to go around. So that's pretty cool. Now we need something to go and hold the top so it doesn't move around or fall off. So I found one of these pieces here. It's just a round Technic brick and it's got an axle pin hole through the middle there. So if we just pop one of these axles in, and we also use an extension here and another one because Easter eggs are quite tall. And then we go ahead and we just attach it on like that. So you can see that's how it's going to look there. So now we need something for the top. Now again, we can just use a small wheel here, and we're going to use one of these 1x2s with a little wheel pin on it. So that would normally spin around freely. We're going to pull this little wheel, this tire off a little bit again, just so that you've got a tire hitting the egg and not necessarily the hard plastic. So that just pops on like that. Now we just need to build it out. So I've just got a couple of 1x2s here. And you want to make sure that it's going to be about the right width away. So I'm going to add a couple of plates as well, because I kind of know that's about the right size. So a couple of 1x2 plates, and then a 1x2 brick with an axle pin hole. Now that is just going to sit on top like that. Now the reason why you're using an axle here is because you can actually just slide this up and down so it sits nicely on top of the egg. So let's give that a try and just make sure that that's going to work. Now we also want to make sure that that is over the egg top just perfectly as well. So we'll just bring that down like that, and there it is there. So what you'll see now is that when you turn the actual egg, the top wheel moves as well. And that's just to make sure that the egg doesn't fall off. That's pretty sturdy actually. In fact, oh, that's pretty clever. That actually seems to work. So now we need to go ahead and add a motor. You could use a little handle, but a motor is going to be a lot easier because you're going to be busy doing some decorating. And that is a Lego Easter egg decorating machine. Now this will go around and around in circles, and all you need to do is to actually use your pen and just be a little bit steady, and you'll get a nice straight line around the egg. Now you want to use probably thicker pens than this, or else it's going to take a long time, but you can see how it works, and that's the main thing. You might even want to go ahead and just add some colours on it, so it actually just looks pretty cool, and then maybe you can colour it in later on. Now there is a bit of tension there. The egg does want to push away, so you need to make sure it's down nice and firm. So that is your Lego Easter egg decorating machine complete. Now it's a super simple model, and you can go ahead and give it a try. So if you like this idea, please like and subscribe, and until next time, it's bye for now.